In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated AI companions using Grok AI. We'll use Grok to generate a complete, single-file web app and then run it on Replit so you can interact with your companion right in the browser. I'll keep everything simple, clear, and fast so you can follow along without getting stuck. First, open your browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type Grok and click the official Grok website. You can also go directly by entering the site address in the URL bar. Once you're on the site, note that the dedicated Companion Builder feature isn't available on the free plan. You'd need to upgrade to a premium option for that. But that's okay. We can still build a companion by asking Grok to write a complete HTML app that will run elsewhere. Let's start inside Grok. In the chat box, type a clear, specific prompt. For example, create a complete self-contained HTML file for an AI animated companion web app. Be explicit about what you want. Include features such as an animated AI companion character displayed at the center of the page. It helps to mention details like a chat input, a response area, simple CSS animations, and that all scripts and styles should be included in line, so the result is a single, ready-to-run file. When your prompt looks good, submit it. When Grok returns the code, copy everything from the opening HTML tag to the closing tag. Now go to Replit in your browser. In your project, paste that entire HTML into the main HTML file. If Replit offers an AI prompt or assistant panel, type something like "Build this app." This lets Replit set up anything it needs and finalize your preview. Submit that prompt to continue. Replit will generate and run the app preview. You should see your companion interface load. It won't be full 3D, but you'll typically get a playful, animated or emoji-style face centered on the page, along with a chat box where you can type messages. Try a few prompts and watch the companion respond. If something looks off, go back to Grok. Refine your original prompt with clearer instructions or styling tweaks, regenerate, and paste the updated code into Replit. That's it. You've built an animated AI companion by combining Grok's code generation with Replit's in-browser development. Save your project, keep your code free of any sensitive information, and iterate on the prompt to improve animations, personality, and layout. And if you ever want the native companion builder experience, you can consider upgrading on the Grok side later. Happy building!